So one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually eat it and review it before I do any instructions. So I have it right here. Let's see how this goes. Honestly, this is probably the best recipe I've made, so I would say it's either 9 or 10. 10 in the fact that I've made it. Obviously, if you go to a 5-star restaurant and paid $2 million, that's going to be the definition of 10. But yeah, this is really good. One thing that happened though when I made it is, so if you put any excess sauce on the pan, what will happen is if you have the skinned salmon, it's just gonna stick to the foil or whatever, and you're not gonna be able to get it off. So if you do like the skin, then you should make sure there's no excess sauce around the salmon. I think this is really good. I think everyone should try this, and I will have the instructions right after. Today we are doing teriyaki salmon, so with that we will first make a teriyaki sauce and then marinate the salmon. In front of you are the ingredients needed. There's garlic in the background, but I'm just showing these in case you have different companies or whatever, so if this is really good or really bad, it all might just depend on the ingredients and the company, so that's why this is like this right now. These walls fighting to create a song.